configure Wi-Fi camera. You have to connect the camera through LAN cable or PoE switch, and you will find the IP address from EZ Tools. So open it in browser, and first you have to reset the password. So like it will be 123456, and you put your password. Now already I put the password. Now I am logging in. Okay, after logging in, you go to setup. Then you will find network. In network, you can find Wi-Fi. This is default is off. So go to switch on this and save. So when you switch on, you will find the search button here. So click search button to get the Wi-Fi of your network, and after that you put the password here. Then save. Okay, this is now in wired connection. Now if you remove the wired connection, I already removed. Now see, when I remove, it will go from the network. We'll see in network. If you want to add this camera in your NVR, go to NVR. Then you will normal, like you search, auto search. Then because it's connected to the same network, you will find the IP address of the camera. So you go and add it and put the password. Save, refresh. Now it's connected. See, camera is connected to NVR. Thank you.